Hello, my nomad souls. Welcome to another episode of Vice Expats. I'm your host, Juliana Cabrera, and today's topic is going to be about passive income in Hungary. So, if you have investments such as crypto, um, bank investment funds, ETFs, gold, silver, etc., I am covering in this episode what type of taxations do you need to pay here in Hungary, and even if you invest abroad and let's say US or UK or inside the European Union, we are going to cover all that in today's episode. So let's start. Let's start with a hot topic, crypto. And normally the tax is 50% of the taxable income. And how to calculate the taxable income? So it will be your total revenue minus the cost that you have for these trading activities, and then the you will get the taxable income, and from this you will let's say multiply by 15%. So for the crypto, you need to submit your taxable income before May 20th of each year, so please keep this in your calendar. Now let's go with dividends. Now let's talk about dividends. So if you are receiving dividends from stock investments, let's say in Revolut or many other platforms, most of them, they are not withholding Hungarian tax, so you need to report it here. Also, please check whether Hungary has double taxation agreements in the country of origin of these stocks. So basically, you will need to pay 50% of the personal income tax of all dividends, plus 30% of social contribution. And as well, you need to report this before May 20th of each year. And the same applies if you have, let's say, bank saving accounts or government bonds or corporate bonds or treasury bills. It is taxed in the same way. So you have 50% as PAT or personal income tax, plus 30% of social contribution tax. Now let's go to long-term investment account. So if you have something that is called in Hungarian TBXZ, or long-term investment account, after 3 years you will pay normally 10% tax if you have this type of account in Hungary, and after 5 years it can be considered as zero tax. But you need to keep, let's say, the amount in the same bank account for at least 5 to 10 years, to be so that tax can be reduced. You're buying physical gold or any precious metal, and also this is gonna be taxed as 50% as a capital gain. Now, to summarize, I want to let you know some important points that you need to consider each year for your investment or passive income. Please track your crypto income year by year, not per transaction. Save all your dividend and interest report, especially from Revolut or any other platform. Know your rights, and please check whether Hungary has a double taxation agreement with the country of origin of the, let's say, stocks or dividends, etc. And use a long-term savings account or bonds to save on taxes, and declare all investment income by May 20 of each year. So I hope these advices give you more or less an idea about how much taxation you need to pay in case you have um, passive income or investments in another country or in Hungary. And if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe, like, or comment. And please write on the comments which other topic are you interested for me to cover in our next episode. And I'm gonna leave on the description of the video my email address, so you could please contact me in case you have any question regarding taxation, or you want to register as self-employed, or you want to register your LLC in Hungary. I offer some paid consultations. Normally for taxation is 30,000 forints per hour, and for legal advice is 35,000 forints. And yeah, I will be happy to discuss with you personally or virtually. And see you next time. Bye bye.